Hello children, I Vandana Shrivastava today going to teach you simple past tense. Students, as you know, simple past tense tell us about the action that has completed in the past time, the action that has over in the past time. Let's see. The simple past tense expresses an action that was completed in the past at a definite point of time. Means the action that has completed in the past time at a definite point of time. We can say the action has totally completed. Like I can say, I went to Delhi last month. I taught you literature yesterday. All these two actions showing that the action has completed in the past time. Uses of past tense for an action that was completed in the past. As I've told you, the action that has already completed in the past time. Like it rained yesterday. When rained? Yesterday, showing the past time. Okay, the action has completed in the past time. I watched a play last Sunday. When I watched last Sunday. It's showing that the action has completed in the past time. To describe a past state. When we describe past state, then we use the simple past tense. Like she was a banker. Like she was a teacher. I studied French when I was a kid. Standing at the past state that when I studied French when I was a kid. To show a duration in the past. When we talking about the duration in the past. Like she talked over the phone for 30 minutes. How many minutes she has talked? 30 minutes. It's showing the duration. To describe an action that was completed at a specific time in the past. When we describe an action that was completed at a specific time, or we can say at a particular time in the past. Like I went to Paris last year. When I went to Paris last year, it's showing that the action was completed. The action was completed at a specific time in the past. Okay, then it's a simple past tense. Or simply we can say, students, simple past tense expresses an action that was completed in the past at a definite point of time. This is known as a simple past tense. Now let's see the structure of the simple past tense. Affirmative sentences. Student, in affirmative sentences, we follow this structure. Let's see. Subject, then verb second form, object. Verb second form means past form, we can say. As you know, there's a three form of the verb: present form, past form, and past participle. Then second form means past form, then object. Let's see example. I wrote to her last week. I is the subject. As you know, you have to write the second form of the verb. That's why I've written wrote. Wrote is the second form or past form of the write. I wrote to her last week. Then object, or we can say rest of the sentence. They always invited us over for festivals. There is the subject. Invited is the verb. It's the second form of the verb. They invited us over for festival. Then object, or we can say rest of the sentence. Negative sentence. Students, firstly know the helping of the simple past tense is did. As you can say, in these two sentences, mean affirmative sentences, I have not used did. It means in affirmative sentences we will not use did. As you can see in the structure also I have not written. But in negative and interrogative sentences we have to use did, because without helping verb we can't make negative or interrogative sentences. Then did is the helping verb of simple past tense. Let's see the structure of negative sentences. Subject, then did means helping verb, then not. As I've told you, we always write not after the helping verb. Please remember this, student. We write not after helping verb, then did not. Then we will write first form of the verb and object. As you can see, here I have written second form and here I have written first form of the verb, means present form. When we use did, student, please listen carefully and understand it. When we use did in any sentence, then we will write the first form of the verb. And we can say the main verb is used in its base form in negative sentences with auxiliary verb in the simple past. Let's see example. Subject I, then helping verb did, then not, did not, verb first form see, object or film. I did not see a film. He did not eat breakfast. He did not eat breakfast. He is subject. Did is the helping verb, not, then after did I have written not. Eat is the verb, first form of the verb, then breakfast, object, or we can say rest of the sentence. Interrogative sentences. Students, as I've told you, we form interrogative sentences in two ways. First one is the for yes or no questions, in which we use the helping verb firstly, then subject, then first form of the verb, object and question mark. Then helping verb we will write firstly like did, subject, the cab, did the cab, then verb first form, arrive on time. As I've told you, when you use did in any sentence in negative or interrogative, then you will use the main verb in the base form. Base form means we can say first form. Did Vijay go to Chennai? Did, then subject Vijay, then first form of the verb, base form go to Chennai, then object and question mark. This is known as the yes no questions. Next one is the for WH question type. WH means the question word. As I've told you, what, who, when, why, all these words are known as WH question type. Then in this type of interrogative sentences, firstly we will write question word, then did means helping verb. We always write helping verb after the question word. Then subject, verb first form or base form, object and question mark. When did the cab arrive? When did the cab arrive? As you can see, when question word, did helping verb, the cab subject, arrive verb first form of the verb and question mark. Where did they play cricket? Where is the question word, then did, subject, verb first form and cricket. Where did they play cricket? Students, these are the structures of the simple past tense, affirmative sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentences. Students, in simple past tense there is only one helping verb did, so you will use it with all the subject, with singular or plural, okay, because there is only one helping verb. So this is the simple past tense. As I've told you, simple past tense expresses an action that was completed in the past time, or we can say that completed in the past at a definite point of time. And these are the structure. In affirmative sentences, we do not use helping verb. We only write subject, verb second form, object. In negative sentences, subject, helping verb did, not, verb first form. When we use did, then we will always write base form of the verb, then object. In interrogative sentences, yes no type questions, did, subject, verb first form, object and question mark. For WH question type, WH means question word, we can say question word did, helping verb did, subject, then verbs first form and object, or we can say rest of the sentence and question mark. I hope, student, till here you all have understood. Thank you.